everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talk and Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page, Telly's Talk and Chalk. You can also join the VIP group, Telly's Talk and Chalk, VIP. And you can also find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, all with Telly's Talk and Chalk. Let me just find myself on here, and we will get to crafting. Hope everybody can see this well. So today we are going to be doing the other side of the board that we did yesterday. I'm going to be using our new colors, Marvelous and Wisteria. They are colors that I just got. We've had them for a while, but I think they might have returned with them. I don't think we've had them for a while. And we are doing, I'm outdoorsy. I like drinks on the patio, or on patios, and our little drink thing. If you're, oh yeah, okay. I thought that's what I said, but maybe I didn't. Yelling that out is great, though. We are going to fuzz this. I'm not going to fuzz it as much as I fuzz the other one because I found that when I was putting it back on the backer sheet, it wasn't as fuzzy, or it wasn't as sticky as it was supposed to be. But yet it stuck to the thing pretty good, so I'm so confused. So I'm actually going to take this out of the board and base because they do come apart if you didn't see yesterday's. And I'm going to make sure I'm doing this upside right. Although, because it comes apart, even if you do it upside down, you can just put it back the other way. So we're just putting it down nicely like this, making sure that any of the fuzz or anything, as long as it's on the green part and not in the silk screen, it's better for you because it won't run. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the words in one color and then I'm going to do the drink in a different color. Maybe I'll do the words in this and then do the, I think that's how I'll do it. So again, it's just a nice quick craft. You can have your kids do it with you. Or they can actually even do it on their own. Again, I'm using my teeth to open this up, so that shows you that it is not harmful. I'm not doing it for that reason, but it does show you that. Should always bring towels, but I never do. So I'm just going to open these both up quick first before, so that I'm not doing one and then having to do the other. Because again, you want to do it quickly so that it doesn't dry in the silkscreen transfer and wreck your image on your surface. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to scrape all of the stuff off of the tin. Now you can rip the tin off or you can keep it in, like on it. It does help a little with the keeping it moist, but if you're diligent in taking care of your paste, you'll be fine. All you have to do is put a little distilled water in it if it gets a little dry. These ones tend to be better than when I first started, so it doesn't take much. Nice and creamy again. So you can do either. I'm just going to leave it on for now. Not going to waste the time. So I'm doing the drink in the pink and the words in the purple. So I'm just going to do the pink first. Just bring it down. Again, this is just going to be a really quick live. Probably be no time. Words. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel it, but I'm going to turn it this way, and we're going to peel it as gently as we can and as straight as we can. This just makes sure that you're not pulling it unevenly and stretching the trans. Be stretched, wrecking your image. In one direction so that it doesn't. They stick really good, so you will want to go in the same direction. Doesn't stick. Hello everybody. If you're here, say hello. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know that you've seen this. Oh, I was going to drop some information today. If you didn't get the information from the last time I went live yesterday, our kits are no longer going to be kits. If you are in Canada, you can join for $0. I believe it's $59 for Americans to join still, though. Or no, sorry, it's $9.99 to join. There are 2 kits that are available if you so choose to buy them, but you don't have to become a designer. The $9.99 is just the activation fee. I'm not sure why Canadians don't have an activation fee, but they don't. And there are kits, like I said, that you can purchase if you would like, but this means that you get to pick only the stuff that you want. Some people were having a tough time wanting to join because they had to get certain things that they just didn't want. And now you don't have to. Now, the second thing that I wanted to tell you today is we have a new release happening tomorrow. Tomorrow's release will be our fall, Halloween, and Christmas. We are already getting ready for that. Oh, and I just did this in the perfect spot. So please look out for that tomorrow. And if you join tomorrow, because tomorrow is when all of the kits are gone, you can get all of that new product right as fast as we get it now. So that is that side. And this is what we did yesterday. So I was going to show you this earlier, but I don't think I did. For anybody that didn't see it. So you have this side for the, just for the funny, but I also said it could be for Halloween type deal because of the colors. And then you have the more springy, summery colors on this side. That is our project for today. Please let me know if you have any questions about the release is happening, and I will see you guys on Saturday at 4 o'clock Eastern. I am doing a live to do a question and answer kind of live. I might throw in a craft as well. I may not. It just depends on what I kind of come up with. But come up with all of your questions, especially with this new release. There are probably a lot of questions that you may have. So please let me know, and I will talk to you guys on Saturday. Bye, guys.